Here's the tools. Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Welcome, everybody. Let's get right to it and start the hunt for today. Good morning, George. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. So we've got a few stocks to watch for today. Remember, guys, before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. And you're not financial advisor, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Welcome, George. Yeah, Bitcoin doing all right right now at reverse. We have a bit of reversal for Bitcoin. We're going to discuss it in a bit. Yeah, we got FUSE looking interesting. We got a nice reversal from the market right now, from red maybe to green for today. The market opened up in red. I expect a bit of reversal for today because we have a bit of sell-off in the markets, fearing. We got a bit of fear. Palantir doing all right before the earnings. I think we might have a green day, huge green day before the earnings. It's the only one in green. We got a nice reversal for a few stocks, right? And crypto stocks is pulling back down, gapping down. MSTR the same. B, as usual, reversing from the dip that we did in the pre-market. Yeah, reversing almost 3% in the pre-markets, not bad. APLD the same, 11% last week, and now almost in the green side. The same for Intel. I expect at least going to green side for today. Maybe doing 3% around the 47 would be great. The main stocks for today, as we said, FUSE. We have a pullback now from the current resistance to the 270. We might have a nice reversal at the market open because we already tested or almost tested the support around the 216. We got DKI jumping on major news. We got, yes, Revenue report 27 revenue growth and positive operating cash flow. Okay, we got nice news. 200%. This is the main gainer for today. After that, we got FUSE and AQST. Disney had earnings but pulled back. Yeah, was 4% up. Now is pulling back down. It's kind of tricky play because was on the red and the green side, now on the red side. We'll see if we're gonna have a reversal right now over the 108. Otherwise, I will watch for a dip. That's why I put it on the list here, just in case if we reversed. Silver and gold, we got a huge dip last Friday, and now we have a nice reversal for it. Not bad. Correction, as we said, guys, a lot of people panicking about gold going down is kind of expected to see this pullback. Is not just a manipulation. A lot of factors come to play. It's kind of over inflated. Was easy short. Of course, that's why it pulled back. Predictable action for this one. Going to cryptos, we got a nice green reversal for Bitcoin. It had a pullback on the pre-market or after the market close on Saturday. Market was closed, but Bitcoin continued to go down toward the 74K. Ethereum the same, 2000. We got a lot of pullback lately. But yeah, we tested the major bottom right now. That's why we got a little bit of reversal. Palantir today, I'm watching for the earnings, guys. Huge expectation for Palantir. Yeah, Palantir faces huge expectation heading into earnings. It get on upgrade. Aha, we got an upgrade. Upgrade from whom? Yeah, we have a huge expectation for Palantir earning, guys. The estimate is over 1 billion for the revenue. Last earning were, let's see, I think we got green earnings, but we pulled back. Yes, we got good earnings and revenue, but we pulled back. So since the last earnings until now, we are down almost 30%. For my opinion, is a good discount, really good discount ahead of the earnings. So I expect a reversal now. Yeah, we expect a nice reversal. Now is almost 3%. Yeah, MSCR is pretty weak. It's the only one is pulling back. Yeah, might put MSTR if it pulled back more. Looking juicy MSTR here. Yeah, MSTR have earnings, I think, Thursday after hours. Yeah, so as we said, we got a few stocks to watch, guys. The market in the pre-market is a bit red, but I expect going to green because the market is kind of discounted. DKI SXTC, one of the top stocks for today. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the way in. So SXTC looking fantastic here. Top gainers, still on the top gainer list. Getting near the 8 cents for a breakout. The same for DKI, the top gainer. After that, we got FUSE. Those the main, and AQST. Yes, those the top unicorn. SXT is pulling back before the resistance that we should break almost around the 9 cents. Now it's pulling back again toward the bottom, which is around 4. But I will keep other support over the 5. Again, guys, as you remember, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market opens. So hit the like, subscribe. Perfect. Welcome, Karina. Start now. Good morning, George. Good afternoon, John. What GameStop is around the 25. Let's see. Interesting is on the green side. It's getting near the 25. Yes, the 25.37 breakout. We got a pullback when, yeah, pullback, I think last week, Wednesday and Thursday, then we reversed on Friday. Yeah, so it looked really interesting, guys. GameStop looking interesting here for a reversal. The resistance still around the 25.25. Could be good for a reversal, at least almost around the 30. We got a nice reversal here from the bottom around the 19. Yeah, so GameStop, not bad. They did the RPGL and ACCL. RPGL. Okay, this one interesting. Yeah, it's just about to test a resistance around the 80 cents or 86 cents. It looked interesting if it held over the current support, of course, the 64. Let me know, brother, if you want to have the chart or if you watch the live streaming, then I just s- uh, discuss it here. ACCL, don't like it. It's pulled back a lot around the 218. It's a bit risky, this one. Yeah, I think is a bit risky around the $2.23. So I don't like this one. ACCL will be good if we broke the 2.25. Otherwise, I will not touch it for now. And if you want to enter anyway, watch out for the 156 as a support. LPW. LPW, wrong ticker. Yeah, wrong ticker for this one. So, who's ready for today hunt? Welcome, everybody. Welcome. We got 10 minutes left at the market open. BNAI, I will check. BNAI. BNAI, we have a resistance around the 28. Yeah, BNAI have a bit of support around the 2264. Bottom is around the 1568. Resistance is around the almost the 28. If we broke it, we have the 32 and 39. I will keep it on the waiting list because it pulled back a lot lately, but is not on the main list for today. Checking again the top gainer for today, DKI, SXTC. We got RPGL. Disney is down in the pre-market 3% after the earnings. IDXX is a strong buy, is Disney. Rating is a strong buy. Volume is 10 million. Palantirs have a lot of expectation for the earnings today. Rating is a buy and pre-market is 3%. And yearly return for Palantir is almost 100%, guys. Yeah, still on the overextended side. It was more, I think, more. It was 200% before last year. FATN, 14% in the pre-market, I think, had earnings. FATN, and the other one doing all right in pre-market is CLBK, have earning as well. CLBK is a hold, not a buy. Yeah, but jumping really nicely, almost 12%. Disney is flashing down after the good earnings. Yeah, we have 4% up, then pullback. Tricky, it was tricky. TSN the same, it was almost 6% up, now is down. TWST is pulling back down a little bit. Yeah, CLBK had earnings now, 9% in the pre-market. Is going really good toward a technical level that I might watch out for around. Yeah, it's almost gets rejected here. But I will pass because it's dead on volume. Palantir pulling back a little bit from the resistance. Intel pulling back. B, APLD. Yeah, hopefully we see a bit of green today at the market open. Yeah, we expect a bit of correction for the market because now I think we kind of oversold. Disney is pulling back. We got 4 minutes left, everybody. 4 minutes left. Hopefully we're gonna have a huge green day reversal from the red day that we had in pre-market. Yeah, I expect a correction, guys, early at the market open. The first 5 minutes will confirm if we're gonna have a green day or continuation for this red day. But as we learned from the markets, usually when we have a huge red day the day before, we get a lot of buyers buying the dip. So we'll see the health of the market. If we are correct today and we went to the green, is mean yes, the market makers start to buy again. Okay, the market is about to open, guys. So let us get right to it. SXTC looking all right. FUSE, one of the top gainers for today. Expect a little bit of reversal at the market open. Yeah, we expect a bit of pullback and reversal right now. Who's ready? Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Let's get right to it. Let's have a green day. And okay, let's see. We got yeah, a few seconds. Let's see if we're gonna reverse for Intel. I'm watching Intel closely here. If we hold the 45.18 today would be great for a reversal. Disney is going down a lot. Let's go. The pre-market market is open. Okay. What the hell is going on with APLD? Why are we going down? Let's see the news. B is going up. Interesting. Intel is going up as well. Yeah, FUSE trying to go up. Palantir is pulling back a little bit. Yeah, APLD, we expect a huge reversal as well here. Yeah, we're gonna have a huge green day hopefully today. Yeah, finally we got a reversal. APLD toward the major reversal for today. Let's see if we're gonna have 36 for today. Or at least around 35. Yeah, Disney, we got a nice reversal just over the support here, the 103. This one I will take it from the list, TSS. And pulling back, Disney is a bit dangerous. Horizon doing all right, jumping again. SNDK again. This one is really strong, guys, but it's too dangerous to buy here. Mira, we got a nice reversal, but I expect yeah, a rejection still around this level. IBM reversing. Microsoft might be good for a reversal as well, around 421. Yeah, expect a nice reversal here. Unbelievable. For B, we got a huge reversal. Interesting. Usually B and APLD going on the same rate, but APLD is still weak. And it's the same for Palantir. Interesting. FUSE guys, we got a nice test here around the resistance, the 275. We got a really good reversal from the 2.26. It's going toward the 290. We got SXT testing the support around the 56. DKI got shorted around the 125. I think is halted right now down, and AQST is around the 4, trying to go up toward the 440. APLD still trying here. I'm still waiting for a reversal for APLD, hopefully soon. I will put alert here just in case and if we pull back up. Yeah, feed is going up as well. Have a huge seller around the 425. Beyond Meat is pulling back. NAM is going up a little bit. This one I'm gonna delete it. CISS. Too dangerous here. It pulled back a lot. So I will be extremely careful with it. Still down. GameStop 4%. RPGL is going up a little bit, testing the resistance, so it's not completely bad. BNAI, not good here. Yeah, GameStop looking all right. AZN is coming to the scan. AZN and Fuse. Why AZN is not here? Yeah, RBGL trying to break. Yeah, so RBGL looking interesting with Fuse. Yeah, and AQST maybe. APLD, we might have a reversal here. Watch out. MSTR reversing from the bottom. Yeah, MSTR was a really good candidate to trade today. Come on, we're still waiting for APLD to reverse. Where's the bulls? TSN. I was watching this one for entry and did reverse actually. Did really good reversal here, but I don't like the volume on it. The same for Disney. Unbelievable, man, for SanDisk, man. Unbelievable. It reversed big time from the bottom. Yeah, this one is it was too risky to play, but I was watching it. I didn't trust it because it was overinflated. Yeah, I missed this one, man. Yeah, 19% so far is crazy. Yeah, SanDisk is really good play it was, but now is too late. RPGL trying to break out, guys, with FUSE. Uh, Night Trader asked about silver is going to 122 level. Silver, uh, yeah, of course, if it broke the 88, we might go toward the 99 and 117, not 122. So watch out for the 88. I don't know if you can hear me, man. I don't want to repeat myself to you or write because once the market open, I can't write to you, brother. So I'm just send you the chart and see just from the technical, we have a really strong support around the 70. So if we held, yeah, we're gonna reverse. Otherwise, it's gonna go down. IPW. IPW, not good, man. UNF, I will check it. UNF, don't like it as well. Not good for today. Yeah, FUSE guys broke out. FUSE guys broke out. FUSE, one of the top gainer right now. So FUSE broke out from the 270, hit the profit taken right now around the 320, and might go up more if we held the current support. RBGL didn't break. DKI flushed down because unhalted and halted down again. B is going down, APLD the same, is light on volume for today. It might reverse later. We'll see if B reverse down. We'll see. If we go down, I will watch for a dip here. Yeah, FUSE is the strongest for today. CISS, we got a fake out. Beyond Meat is getting near the bottom, guys. Still going down. Might update the level for it in a bit. Yeah, FUSE, guys, broke out again. Is going toward almost the 4. Let's see the top gainer for today. Now let us see the stock that been halted. And then check your questions. Wait a second. Yeah, we got a few stocks getting halted. PHOE. We got PAVM, DKAI, VHUB, ELPW. We got a lot for today. This one is halted down, one of the top losers. This one is halted up but slow on volume. VHUB, one of the top gainers, still okay. This one, no. So the only one is looking good is VHUB that got halted up. It might be good to watch, guys, this one. Might be good to watch. The same for APLD. We might have a reversal. Yeah, APLD is reversing, guys. It's going on the green side. Yeah, FUSE is the strongest. It's getting near the top target here. So it's better to take a bit of profit on FUSE, guys, if you already entered. It's a bit risky now. What the? What the? I don't know. I don't understand why Intel is going up here. Finally, we got GameStop is moving, guys. Almost 5% for today, and it's getting near a major resistance. A lot of buyers bought lately, and we're gonna discuss the whale who bought GameStop, and we might have the squeeze that we're waiting for after the earnings for the last year, because we have really good earnings, even though the revenues they're not good, but we expect a nice thing going on for GameStop. So before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So let me just show you what's going on, guys. For GameStop, we got two avalanche of short sellers. Back before the earnings in May, we pulled back 38 or almost 40%, and the other one after or before the earnings, before the end of this year, and we got a pullback of 30%. So 40%, 30%, and this is where we triggered the buyers over the 20, or the big whale that bought around this dip. Before the last earning in December, we have a reversal almost 20%. Then we revisit this level and we did 26%. So you see what's happened here. We got a really good buyers and sellers. Here, huge sellers got in around the 25, big buyer around the 19, sellers added here, added there, and added here almost 4 times. And here where they cover. So this is the turning point here around the 22, guys. For GameStop, once we broke this level, you see what's happened. We have another buyer over the 22.30, and now it is testing the resistance that we might break today around 25.30. From my opinion, will be a good indication that GameStop started to squeeze toward the 28, and from the 28, which is the 28.28, the major level to break, we might squeeze again toward that territory that we went from down last June or last May, when we reverse in March, beginning of last year, almost 100%. So we might have the same reaction and go toward this territory, toward the 30 and the 36 and maybe even the 40, if we started to hold first the 22 right now. So the 22 is a major level to confirm that we start to reverse. 25 first sign for the squeeze, and the major squeeze sign, for my opinion, is around 28, which is the turning point for GameStop to give us at least 44% around the 36 and beyond toward the $50, which is psychological level for GameStop to go before the earnings that we might get in March. And again, this reaction might happen in the pre-market or after hours, where we're going to discuss it here on our Discord, because we always do a major update for games, not just GameStop, but a lot of stocks that jumped lately. As you can see here, we did a lot of stocks that jumped that have huge news, like BNAI. We got this one, TRX. Feed that jumped huge jump, almost 500% or 300%. So we always do update on our Discord, guys, and beat you. The link comes section below, guys. So yeah, GameStop right now is testing the resistance while we speak. We'll see if we're gonna continue this breakout or not, because today in the pre-market we have a bit of sellers, but the sellers got beaten by the buyers here around this week. So far so good for GameStop, guys. Yes, so what's going on with Beyond Meat, guys? Beyond Meat is still pulling back down. However, the buyers might go, or the big whale might enter really pretty near, because we're getting near a new bottom and a new support that might it change the selling pressure to buying pressure, because just from the technical, guys, we expect a nice reversal for Beyond Meat. We're gonna discuss it shortly on our update right now. Before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So let me just show you what's going on, guys. We got a huge seller entered for Beyond Meat around this level, exactly around the 108, right there. 4 times. And again, we discussed this level and we said if we broke it, we're gonna squeeze up. If you don't know, guys, we already did update for Beyond Meat and other stocks, mini stocks, as you see here on our Discord and Bitreon, to warn our hunter for the entry and exit for Beyond Meat and other stocks that have a chance to jump. Like this one jumped almost 100%, 200%. We got Move, we got other stocks. But for Beyond Meat, as we said, we discussed Beyond Meat around the 108. We got shorted and we want our hunter again around the 90. The price now is pulling back from this level that we discussed on the 15th January. We pulled back almost 30%, and the price is still continue to go down. So now the main question, when we gonna reverse, because we already reverse before here once we tested the bottom around the 80 and we did 90%, if you remember, back in last year in December. And again, we did a little reversal, almost 30%, but this is not the reversal that we're waiting for. The reversal that we're waiting for that triggered big buyer, like what we did before. And last year we did almost 1000% once we jumped from the 50 cent until almost the $8. So for now, we get in this territory of buying pressure or the well where they buy again around the 66 this time. So let me know, guys. Are you think that we're gonna have a reversal like before or not? So how we know that? Because right now we still missing almost 10% around the major reversal zone. Once we test this level, what we will see or what we want to see is a reversal at least of 30 or better yet around 60%. And once we test the 66, we need a huge wick or at least accumulation zone before a jump. Like what happened here back in November, what happened here in January 2026. And here we're still waiting for this test, for my opinion, is the best test for this month, February. The other level, which is the bottom, for my opinion, for Beyond Meat, is the 50 cent. It's psychological level, of course, where we should have or expect a major level of reversal. Because once we reverse here, almost 36%, and here, almost 25%. So every 30, 50%, we're going to have a drastic level of reversal. Only if we have a buyers. This is will confirm if Beyond Meat have a chance to reverse or not. Because if there is no interest or there is no buy limit, will be triggered around those level or the short never cover up, fearing for the big whale is mean there is no buyers, guys. No, there is no whales buying Beyond Meat around this level, and this will confirm that Beyond Meat will continue to go down. So now it's getting near this territory, the 66 cent. This will be the turning point for Beyond Meat for the coming days, or at least for this month of February, guys. We should have a reversal or at least a consolidation zone over the 66. Let me know, guys, what you think. Are we gonna have a reversal or continuation down, and we're gonna have a reversal of squeeze of 30 or 60%? Not in between, not 10%. I'm not convinced if we have 10% is mean we don't have a whale. We need 30, 60% at least for the reversal and holding over the 66 to confirm that Beyond Meat is not dead yet. Yeah, GameStop is getting strong. GameStop is back. Anyway, DKI trying to reverse here. ABLD tried to reverse as well. B is pulling back. I'm watching for a dip entry. DKI RBGL is breaking out from the 88. RBGL could be interesting right now. FUSE pulled back, of course, from the resistant. So yeah, watching RPGL closely, guys. Yeah, RPGL could be good. But RPGL have a trading limit if you live in Europe, guys. I think is only for close. You can buy it, but you can close your trade. Okay, Palantir is still holding. I think there's someone still buying Palantir before the earnings. APLD is a bit weak today. Okay, OKYO. OKYO for now have a huge seller on 247, didn't break it. So now we have a support to reverse from around the 170. Nothing changed as you can see here, man, from the technical that we did before. Okay, checking the stock that halted again. We got Roma has been halted. We got GOAI, DOGZ, BTOG, EBM. Yeah, we got a lot. Yeah, today is a bit volatile, however, not good setup for many stocks. Yeah, not just volatility, you need a good setup. But you see, Roma is light on volume, so I can't trade this one, even though it's jumping 100%. This one is halted down. This one is halted up, but is dead on volume. BTOG, the same. BBM, the same. Yeah, today is a bit volatile day and undecided day, for my opinion, because the market is still undecided here. We got a bit of buying pressure and selling pressure. Palantir is on the green side. AMD is 4%. Someone buying the dip for AMD. TSM the same. Semiconductors doing all right today. Even Nvidia thinks doing all right. No, interesting. Nvidia's no. Nvidia is down. AMD is up, but Nvidia didn't pull back like AMD. Palantir guys have earnings. That's why it's up. We have a huge expectation for Palantir earnings today after hours. We're gonna discuss AMD Palantir later on Discord. The short will be dropped hot in our Discord, guys. Expect a major update on our Discord for Palantir and the other stock that have earnings. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you all back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market to open as usual. So make sure to hit the notification and subscribe. And yeah, see you all back by tomorrow. And if you are one of our members, the link comment section below. If you are not, to join our Discord and Bitcoin for the update for the market, because the market will have different volatility after we finish. We're gonna do update for the old stock that we're trading and add another more swing trade, day trade, and even crypto update for today. Thank you for watching, guys. See you all back by tomorrow.